What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today I'm going to show you how to make some meatball subs. A sub, baby. And I'm not talking about the exploring the treasures of the deep. I'm talking about getting something good to eat. So let's move our feet and get with the beat, baby. Yeah! That's right, my boy, a meatball sub. And I'm not talking about some old movie with Bill Murray in it from the 70s. I'm talking about the real deal, the meatball. Now, real easy to make, real quick deal here. So, all you gotta do is get yourself some ground beef and some Italian sausage, and I want you to put them in together. And then you're gonna add a little salt and pepper just for flavor. And we'll also add some Italian seasoning just to give a little Italian flavor. Now, once you get that done, I want you to roll them up in pretty good sized balls because they're going to shrink as they cook. But you'll see what I'm talking about right here. Let's go ahead and take one of these big bad dudes and put them in the skillet here. Now I'm cooking my meatballs in the skillet today because it's just easier for me to do. But if you want to bake yours in the oven, that's fine. Put them in there for about, I'd say maybe between 15-30 minutes, maybe like 325 degrees. So, but like I say, I'm going to show you how to do it the skillet way, baby, the hot way. So, we've got our meatballs in here, and with this application, you're going to have to use the lid this time because they won't cook through otherwise, and it just won't be right, baby. You won't get that Italian feel that you want to have in your meal, or Mario is going to be very upset at you for it. So, we're going to put the lid on this thing, and while these are cooking, we can go ahead and cut up our onion and our green pepper that we got here that we're going to use to put on top of this old thing later. But I'll show you what I'm talking about when we get there, boy. So, go ahead and cut up your green pepper and your onion. You want to cut them into, smaller pieces here. We don't want no big old damn houseboat shit on top of that sandwich. We just want some little good. So, we'll put that shit on there, get that cut up, and then when our meatballs are looking good, let's go ahead and take our spatula and give them a flip. Yes, sir. Looks good. Smells good. Now, you're going to let these things cook until they are all the way done, and I would say, in the skillet, probably about same time, 15-30 minutes, just kind of watching and flipping as you go. So, once those get done, we're going to add a little traditional pasta sauce. Now, like I say, you can make the old, the marinara sauce or whatever you want. You can go ahead and make your 7-day stew if you want to, Sophia, Mama Sophia, but I ain't got time for that shit, boy, so I just got this old canned stuff from the store. And we're going to crack that shit, and we're going to put it right on top of this. Now, once you do that, you're going to stir it around, make it look good. And then you are going to sit to the side and let it sit. And after everything is done and ready to go, we're going to come back and we'll assemble our sandwich, baby. So, just watch along and see what I'm doing here. Pay attention, boy, because it's going to be a test later. So, alright, baby, we got those meatballs done. And it's time to assemble our big sandwich. So, let's mix it up like DJ Jazzy Jeff in this bitch. Now, when we were cooking our meatballs, some of that I want to tell you. Start it off high, and then once it's in there and you kind of flip it over once or twice, turn that sucker down to medium. And then when you're adding your sauce, make sure before you add that sauce that you drain that grease, because you don't want the grease to mix in with the sauce. It's going to be nasty, and you don't want that shit. So, do as I say, and you'll be just fine. Now, let's go ahead and cut this sub roll open, this hoagie roll we got here. And we're going to unfold it like this. Now, let's open this lid here and get us some meatballs, sir. The whole damn thing is about the meatballs, so let's put the meatball on. Be careful when you do. Don't make them fall off the side there or do anything crazy. Next thing that you want to do is grab you some of that vegetable mixture that we made, those onions and green peppers, and put some of that shit on top of there too to make it look beautiful, baby. So, once you get that done, last but not least, let's add some mozzarella cheese. What do you think, buddy? Good idea? So, I'm just going to use one piece. You can use as much as you want because it's your damn sandwich, ain't it, buddy? So, put that mozzarella on there. And there it is, baby. Let's stand back and gaze in amazement at this beautiful sub sandwich syrup. Oh! Alright, baby, the time has come. The meatball sub is done. And I'm having that first bite for me. I'm trying not to spill this thing everywhere because you know how the meatballs do ya. What a mess. Oh, it's a beautiful mess. This is the kind of mess you want. This is good. Meatball flavor all over your fingers. Ew. Well, I want to thank you for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, y'all have a good one. Enjoy that meatball and all. See you next time, buddy. Get back in there, meatball.